select this dimension here. Let's move to the next one. Enter. Equal to length, parentheses, 2 divided by 125. So this visualization correct. Times. You see, it doesn't allow you to put an incorrect equation, so this is very good for you and for me as well. Length times 3 divided by 125. I think I have inserted every single dimension. As you can see, the dimensions with an S, with a red S at the front, is the dimensions that I have input the equations. Okay, thanks for watching. Next tutorial we're gonna have a look of how to insert equations for the handle pin and the fixed pin here.